Okay, so this is a very, very short video. I just want to show you where you can find your pixel code if you are being asked for it. So you go into Ads Manager and you want to go into Events Manager here on the right hand side. This will take you to this overview page, and then you want to click on datasets below overview. All right. Make sure that you are in the right ad account and you're going to get the right pixel code if you have multiple accounts. Now there's two different things that you may be asked for. So depending on what piece of software you need the code for, they're either going to be asking you for the code or for your pixel number. Okay, so I'm going to show you quickly how to get both. So if you're installing this into ClickFunnels or Go High Level, something that's going to track your landing pages and sales pages, etc., then like I say, they're either going to ask you for your pixel number. That you can find here. Okay, you just hover over it and click on it, and it will go to your your what's it called? Clipboard. Go to your clipboard and you can go and paste it into whichever bit of software is asking for it. The other thing that you might be asked for is the full code. So to get that, you just click on Manage Integrations here, and you'll see the browser pixel pop up, the window pop up. You click Add to another site, install code manually, and there you go. Click copy code there, and then that's it copied, and you just need to go and paste it into the box that the website or the piece of software is asking for that code to be entered into. And that's that, simple as that. Okay,